Hello students, welcome back to TMI's home-based education. From today we are going to start chapter number 8, that is decimals. Already you had studied about decimals in class 5th also. So just we'll do a recap that what decimal is और उसमें किस तरह से होता है. Just a small recap. As you know, I had drawn a table just to show that what actually इज द प्लेस वैल्यू इन डेसिमल. डेसिमल में प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट किस तरह से होता है. नॉर्मली वी हैड स्टडीड अबाउट इंडियन एंड इंटरनेशनल. सो नाउ विल स्टडी अबाउट decimal numbers. Last year also you had done the same thing. Again we'll go through it. See, in normal Indian and international system, it starts from ones, then tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. It will go like that in Indian. International में ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. But when the decimal is being there, decimal number is there, so normally जो यहाँ पे 1 से start होता है, after that here it will come a decimal or you can say a point. मीन्स जो नंबर कंप्लीट नहीं होता है दैट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू डेसिमल. सो हियर द फर्स्ट इट कम्स टेंथ्स. देखो यहाँ पे टेंथ्स था, इट इज टेंथ्स. THS is being there, means the number is being divided by 10. After that it comes again, see, 100 and hundreds, means that number is divided by 100, and the last comes thousands, means it is divided by 1000. Means the first place after decimal point, the first place is called tenths, means the number is being divided by 10. Second digit after decimal is at hundredths place, which is divided by 100, and the third place is at thousandths place, which is 1 upon 1000. So just these are the basic thing. Normally जो मैंने बताया in our system and in international system it starts from ones, tens, 100,000, but in decimal it doesn't start from 1, it starts from tenths. Tenths means the digit just after the decimal. Decimal point या point के बाद जो first digit होता है that is called tenths. At tenth place second digit है तो it is at hundredths place, and the third digit is being there, then it is at thousandths place. Tenths means 1 divided by 10, hundredths means divided by 100, and thousandths means divided by 1000. So if I normally write one number like 44.789. Okay, so 44 as we will read normally as we used to read 44. Then after point जो भी digit होता है that you have to read it separately. It is not 789, you have to consider it, read it as 789. Okay, how will you read 44.789? 789 नहीं पढ़ते हैं. डेसिमल के बाद जो भी डिजिट होता है दैट इज रेड अस सेपरेटली. सो 44.789 is this number. So as I told you how we will read it as, see here also many of you are making mistake. 40, when you write 4 it is FOUR, but when you are writing 44, so FOR will come, not FOURTY. 44.789. Okay, or it can be read as 7 tenths, 8 hundredths, and 9 thousandths. So it's better when you read a number, decimal number 44.789. After point you have to read the digits separately. उसको साथ में नहीं पढ़ना है. Sometimes you will be given like for example 5 tenths. ये सब next exercise means the first exercise it will be there. So 5/10 पूछा है, so it means it is what? Actually it is 5/10, which will become 0.5. If it is being told that for example 3/100, it means 3/100. How many zeros? ये हमेशा याद रखना है. 2 zeros are being there, means decimal के बाद 2 digit होने चाहिए. So 0.03. यहाँ पे एक ही था तो 0 ऐड हो जाएगा, it will become 0.03. This thing you have to remember it properly. If it is given to thousands, means it is 2/1000. Now 2/1000 means total how many digits? 3. So total 3 digits should be there, 0.002. So this you have to be very careful, as you all are knowing all this thing. Just we are doing a recap so that it will be easy for you to do it in this chapter. So this was the introduction and little bit explanation regarding decimals. Now we'll move directly to exercise number 8.1. In that, question number 1 you have to do it in the textbook only. It's very simple, you can do it by yourself, but do it with pencil only. Write the following as numbers in the given table. The table is being already done. We have to write down this number. Now tens is being given, so how many blocks are being there? 1, 2 and 3. So tens में क्या लिखेंगे हम? We'll write it 3 in tens. Then in ones only 1 is being there, so 1. And tens how many are being there? 2. So we'll write 2. Same way second one, if you'll count, it is 100. Total 100 are there. Here it was 30. So 30 means 3 tens means 30. 3 into 10 is 30. So here if you will count all of them, total 10 are there and 10 tens are total 100. Means 100 हो गया ना. So we will write here 1. Then tens how many are being there? There also 1 tens, as here we had counted 3. So here total tens are 1. So 1 tens. Ones is not given. Ones यहाँ पे नहीं है. देखो यहाँ पे ones था. Here it is not there. So we'll write it as 0. And in tens, how many are being there? 4. So we'll write it as 4. So 110.4 it will be. And here it will be 31.2. So this was the first question, which you have to do it in the textbook only. Now let us move to question number 2. Now in question number 2, it is being given that write the following decimals in the place value table. So place value table में number को लिखना है. So for that we will draw a table. So table we had already made. Only 4 questions are there, so no need to make big table. In first one we will write the questions. In here we'll write down the place value. सबसे बड़ा नंबर है, that is 205.9. और हर एक नंबर में पॉइंट के बाद एक ही डिजिट है. So we'll write it in that manner only. 100, tens, ones and tens. So the first one in that, it is 19.4. So 19 means 1 tens, 9 ones and 0.4 means it will come in the 10th place. Same way second, 0.3. So in the place of ones we'll write 0 and in 10th place we'll write 3. Third one, it's 10.6. So 10.6 means 10 and 6 at 10th place. Fourth one, 205.9. So 2 at 100th place, 0 at 10th place, 5 at 1st place and 9 at 10th place. So this was your question number 2. Just उसको place value table में लिखना था. Now if you move to question number 3. In question number 3, it is given, write each of the following as decimals. It is given in the word form, we have to write down in decimal. So first one is 7/10. 7/10 means which place? We had already done in the table also. Tenths means decimal या point के बाद first digit. So there already 7/10 it is being given, so we can write it as 0.7. तो हो गया ना 7 at 10th place. Then second one, it's 2/10 and 9/10. 2/10 मतलब क्या हो गया? 2/10, so 2 will write here, ones नहीं है तो means it will be 20. 2/10 means 20 and 9/10, so 9/10 means 9 will be at 10th place. Then third one, it's 14.6. It is given simple, so 14.6. Fourth one, it's 102 ones. 102 ones means which is not given. Tens is not given, so we'll write 0 over there, and 2 ones is given, so it will become 102. Fifth one, it's 600.8, so 600.8 will be the answer. Okay, so this was your question number 3. Very simple sums are being there in exercise 1. Now let us move to the next exercise, next question. It's question number 4. Write each of the following in decimals. So दिया है उसको decimal form में लिखना है. So first one is 5/10. Now 5/10 means you are knowing it is at 10th place, so उसको decimal में क्या लिखेंगे? 0.5. Simple. Second one, it's 3 plus 7/10. So 3 is a complete number, so we'll write 3 as it is. 7/10 means 7 is at 10th place, so it will become 3.7. Third one, it's 200 plus 60 plus 5 plus 1/10. So 200 plus 60 is 260. 260 plus 5 is 265. 1/10 means 0.1. Fourth one, it's 70 plus 8/10. Now 70 plus 8/10 means 70.8. 8/10 means 8/10. Fifth one, it's 88/10. Now here you have to be careful. Here 88/10, it means नीचे कितने zeros है? 1 0. It means after point there should be 1 digit. So here in the numerator there are 2 digits, so it will become 8.8 will be the answer. Now sixth one, it's 4 2/10. So we can write 4 as it is. 0.2/10, so 0.2, that will be the answer. Seventh one, it's 3/2 is equal to what? So for that you have to divide and find out. We have to divide it 3/2. So if you will see, it will come 2 ones are is 2, so 1 is remainder. Now we can put the point, so 0. Now it became 10, so it is 2 5s are is 10. So our answer will come, that will be 1.5. 3/2 means 1.5. Then eighth one is 2/5. So 2/5 means what? So what we will do, we'll divide 2 by 5. उल्टा मत कर देना, 5 अंदर और 2 बाहर. 2 को 5 से डिवाइड करना है. Now we cannot divide, so 0. Now we'll put the point, so now it had become 20. So 5 4s are is 20. So our answer comes, that is 0.4. जब उसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन करोगे 5 4 जार कितना होता है 20, पॉइंट के बाद एक डिजिट है तो पॉइंट लगा दोगे, सो इट विल बिकम 2 ओनली. ओके, सो इट इज दैट. नाउ नाइन्थ वन, it's 3 upon 5. So here 3 we will put as it is, 3 वैसा का वैसा लिखना. अभी बचा कौन है 3 upon 5, so we'll divide 3 by 5, so we cannot divide 3, so 0.0. Now 5 6 is 30, so what will be the answer? It will be 3.6. फिर वहाँ पे 3.0.6 नहीं लगाना, because we had just divided 3 by 5, तो उसमें क्या आया 0.6. 0.6 means it is 3.6. 10th one, it's okay, one I had missed, that was 12 upon 5. So 12 upon 5 you can divide 12 by 5. So 5 2s is 10, so 2. Now we cannot divide, so we have to put the points to get 0, so 0 will come down, so 5 4s is 20, so our answer comes 2.4. Now total 12 sums are there, out of that 10 I had already done, remaining you have to do it by yourself. Only 2 sums are being there, उसमें एक okay, only one sum is being remaining, that is 4 1 upon 2. बाकी के मैंने कर दिए. 3 upon 2 is also being done, 2 upon 5, 12 upon 5 and 3 upon 5. Okay, only last one is remaining, that you have to do it by yourself. Now question number 5, write the following decimals as fraction, reduce the fraction to lowest form. अब इसको कैसे करना है, just see it. 0.6 मतलब क्या होता है 6 upon 10, पॉइंट के बाद एक डिजिट है, मतलब इट इज 6/10, सो इट इज 6 upon 10. सो अभी भी उसको रिड्यूस फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है, सो दोनों 2 से डिवाइड होगा, 2 3s and 2 5s, so the answer comes 3 upon 5. Simple. Second one, it's 2.5. so 2.5 means पॉइंट के बाद कितना डिजिट है, एक डिजिट है, सो नीचे भी एक 0 आना चाहिए. 10 आ गया. नाउ बोथ आर डिविजिबल बाय 5, so 5 5s and 5 2s, so the answer comes 5 upon 2. Simple. Just see after point how many digits are being there. Third one, it's 1.0, so it will be 1 only. 1.0 means it is 1. Fourth one, if you see, it is 3.8, so again we will write it as 38 upon 10, क्योंकि पॉइंट के बाद एक डिजिट है तो 0 भी नीचे एक ही आना चाहिए. Now both are divisible by 2 19s, 19 2s is 38 and 2 5s, so the answer comes 19 upon 5. Fifth one, it's 13.7, it means 137 upon 10. Now here we cannot reduce it, तो यही उसका फॉर्म रहेगा, इसमें कोई भी चेंज नहीं आएगा. Now here also last 2 sums are remaining, which you have to do it by yourself. So in this video student, this much only. The remaining part of the exercise we'll complete it in the next video. So till then, thank you and take care.